Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to split screen on HP OmniBook X. So, I'll first open two random apps, maybe three, and to split screen, please open the third app. To split screen, just grab the top line of app and put it where you want, for example in the top right corner. Now here select the other app and here the third app. You can even select the fourth app in here. When we do it once again, we can split screen to two, just sliding in a right, not top right, just right, and clicking the other app, and we can split screen. Oh, we can't do that. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.